Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All the praises are for Allah. This video is in English as well as in Urdu language. First I will speak English, then in Urdu. Some people say Dabatulars, peacock. Oh, it's very common. Peacock keep on speaking. Peacock keep on shouting. Oh, peacock is Dabatulars. I don't want to believe. Why? Because Allah have disclosed Dabatul earth as peacock speaking in my favor, giving witnesses for me. Allah have made the exam very easy for the human beings. So you deny? If suppose some diabolic animal would have come out of the earth, then you would have said, oh Allah, this is very too much, this is very bad from you, because we are very humble creatures, we are very weak creatures, we can't face such a terrible animal. You would have said this. So Allah have brought forth peacock, a beloved animal of every religion. Hinduism is also having its significance, and Islam. So you want to deny this? You want to make it a common thing? It is your nonsense thought. It is your shaitanic thought. आप लोग कहते हैं कि मोर दावतुलर्स, हम यकीन नहीं करते भाई, हमने तो ये सुना था, हमने तो वो सुना था, दावतुलर्स तो ऐसा होगा, दावतुलर्स तो वैसा होगा. तो यह आपकी गलती अपनी अपनी तरफ रखी. अगर अल्लाह ताला मेहरबान होकर बआसानी से मोर को निकालता है दावतुलर्स बनाकर, जो मेरी गवाही देता है, तो क्या आप इसका इनकार करेंगे? आपको लाइट लग रहा है? कई लोग एग्जाम में जाते हैं बहुत कुछ पढ़ के, लेकिन आसान सा सवाल आ जाता है, तो क्या आप एग्जामिनर को कुछ गलत बोलोगे? नहीं ना. उसी तरीके से many people go to is exams, they expect that very big questions will be coming, but a small very simple questions comes in the exam and people write it very easily and they pass through it very easily. So will you deny the examination? So Allah have foretold the dabatulars in a symbolic way, in a very riddle form through hadith, and Allah have disclosed this as a bird, peacock. So you want to deny this? How dare you deny this? You have no right to deny this. You should say Allah is most merciful. So Allah have taken the exam of the mankind in a very easy form. So Allah have disclosed the dabatulars as peacock. So you should enjoy. And but dabatulars keep on shouting. That is their nature. But particularly for me, they have given the witnesses. So do you want to deny this? दावतुलर्स तो जो मोर हैं वो तो दुनिया में एक ज़माने से हैं और इंशाल्लाह रहेंगे. वो लोग एक चीज़ों में बात करते हैं, पुकारते हैं, शाउट करते हैं, लेकिन आपने देखा नहीं कि किस तरीक़े से मुझे गवाही दे रहे हैं, शाउट कर रहे हैं, किस तरीक़े से मेरी तस्दीक कर रहे हैं कि मैं ईसा मसीह महदी अलैहिस्सलाम हूँ. क्या ये आपको मिरेकल नहीं लगता? ये तो तस्दीक करना ही था उनको. उनका रोल जब आया वो हुआ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.